What's the meaning of auto-exposure? Auto-exposure. Auto-exposure.
Auto-exposure. Auto-exposure. Auto-exposure is a camera function that automatically adjusts the exposure settings to ensure proper exposure of a photo or video. This means the camera will adjust elements such as ISO, shutter speed, and aperture based on the lighting conditions to produce a well-exposed image. The main goal of auto-exposure is to avoid overexposure, too bright, or underexposure, too dark, of a photo. By using auto-exposure, users can capture well-exposed images without the need to manually adjust camera settings.